Pipeline. Start recording. Okay, guys, listen. Can you please listen? See here, I'm doing copy activity. You're going to do first ETL. Okay. Yeah. See here, I'm going to take up the copy activity here. So in the copy activity, what are the things I'm going to connect? So first of all, I will delete everything. Copy activity is the only activity I'm keeping it. So the source, what is the source now? SQL database. Okay. So I'm clicking on new. I'll type here SQL. Yeah, it's so simple, right? SQL database, right? Continue. So it is going to connect to the link service. Okay. Link server, what we need to do is we need to fill our basic information. So what is the server name that will be replied here? Okay. The server name is coming up. Now the database name is, MyDB for you. Okay. So that is the DB I created. So you can able to use my database for to insert the records. Okay. Now the password and everything it is pre-built and is appearing you. Okay, and so trust state certificate true. So all the basic properties and connection string has been set. So now I'll say test connection here. It should come as green. Then we are good. Yeah, successful. It's okay. Great here. Databases get connected. Okay. So it is saying. So which table you would like to connect? So I'll say I want to connect to the student table. Yeah. So it is done now. So I'll say okay here. So now this data set is pointing out to the student table. Yes or no? Yeah, it is coming. Now, so the complete table I took, I'm going to sync this table to the another table in the same database. So what I'll do, I'm going to select this data set again. So SQL, Azure SQL database, continue. Connect to the new link service. So I'm going to say v.net server name. So database is only one database. Okay. And certificate is true. Everything. Test connection. Created. Okay. So table name is, this is my target table. Okay. Now your extract and load is done. If I give this, it will extract and load, it will happen. Okay. So now, so please focus here. Mapping. This is what transformation is. See here, I'm clicking on mapping. So it is saying that import schema. If I click on that, both the table will be get appeared here. Both the tables will be get appeared here. Can you see that? This is from source, this is from target. For your understanding, both the table I gave the same kind of column name. Yeah. Now what I can do is, I can able to map mark 1, it is going to mark 1 again. So in case I don't want, I want to push this to mark 2, just I can able to give here mark 2. Each column, to which column it need to appear, that I can able to decide from here. Okay. Na? So this is what we call the mesh mapping. Suppose one column I don't want to do mapping, you can able to delete that. Yeah. So here is the extraction transformation you are doing. Now this is the simplest ETL process that you can do, and I can say that debugging. What happened? So you can see that this data is completely transferred. So how do I check that the data is moved or not? Database tables. Yeah. Okay. Database is there. Can we check that now? So which table I need to check now? Select star from Go here. Oh, so if I click this, you can see that the records are updated. Okay. Yeah. So mark one I just purposely removed. So that's why it's not coming. Okay. If you want to map anything, that you can able to map. Clear, guys? Yeah. So if you are clear, I'm going to explain you the other operation as well. See, how do you do manipulation here? See this here. Manipulation means what? Suppose I'm doing big level of calculation. If I want to do, I can do that. How do I do that? See here, if I'm going to the source here, in the source, instead of table, I'm going to give very good query. Okay, what I will do? Select star from roll number. Okay, I give roll number. ROL. Okay. Yeah, so roll number I have given, comma, name I have given, comma, mark, okay, mark 1 and mark 2, comma, mark 1 plus mark 2. Okay, space this as a total. Yeah, from table name is student. Sorry. Sorry. Now, as is optional, it will take it. Okay, I have given this. Now, where I'm going to sync, so I'm going to sync to table 2, that's all fine. But if you see that, now mapping, if I revisit, so it will revisit in a different way. Please see this. Okay, you see here. Uh-oh. It's all coming in here. Oh, I understand. I understand. So mapping, when you do here, the total also coming here. Okay. So this total, I will place it to mark 2. Okay. So this one I don't like, I will remove it. So now what happened? So the total will go to the mark 2. Clear? This is how the transformation is doing. Yeah. So now if I run the query, what will happen? For which records? The last 5 records. The previous 5 records, the value will be there. Some values will be empty kind of thing. But total will be come for mark 2 for the last 5 records. Okay. So let me go here and check this one. I'll say student backup. I'll say run. Yeah. So can you see that? 99 blah blah blah. Okay. Yeah. So this is what ETL process. Okay. So I start the ETL simply today. So upcoming classes we will take Excel to SQL Server to SAP. All these things we'll do it. Okay. When